Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Helen. Today I will show you a different method or a different technique that I use on my adaptive crochet aid. This technique was shown by a wonderful TikToker, and also I think the person who I learned how to make this adaptive crochet aid, she does this technique also, so I'm going to show you how to do it. If you haven't watched my 4-part series on how to crochet with an adaptive crochet aid, the playlist will be linked up above in the card above me and down below in the description box, so check it out. In the past, I've only done the pickup method where you pick up the loops and then you bring it off the hook, but that technique is very slow and tiresome, and I hope that this technique will be less tiresome for some of you, and you will see how it works. And without further ado, let's get started. So first, you must put the hook, like the crochet hook, on its side like this. Then you are supposed to hold the crochet piece to help you crochet. Then I would glide the loops off the crochet hook by holding the crochet piece and gliding it and manipulating that way. If you haven't watched the 4-part series of how to crochet with one hand, I will leave the playlist in the card above me and also in the description box down below. But in that playlist, I use the pickup method to pick up the loops and bringing it off the crochet hook. But using this way, I don't need to do that. I don't need to do like the pickup action, the pickup method. Instead, I use the crochet piece as a helper to help me glide the loops off the crochet hook like this. I may be a bit slow because I'm still new to this whole like not picking up, but like holding the crochet piece and picking up it and gliding the loops off the hook and stuff like that. But it's actually, once you get used to it, I feel like with some practice you will be able to do this too. The technique of bringing the loops off the hook is different, but everything else is the same. Like for the single crochet, double crochet, half double crochet, you still have to bring how many loops off the hook, and but it's just that you have to turn the crochet hook and you have to pull the crochet piece together, if you know what I'm talking about. At the time of recording this, I actually tore apart, like ripped apart my cat hat or cat beanie because I was frustrated that it didn't look the way I wanted it to. So I mean, I know I recorded this a few days before, but okay, I don't know where I was going with that train of thought, but anyways, so I won't be doing this specific beanie hat, cat beanie anymore, but I will be doing a cat something in the future. I think I've got a pattern that I'm gonna try. Let's just cross our fingers and hope it will work. Oh yeah, I'm so sorry. I forgot to tell you that I'm doing a double crochet stitch, and basically I'm like looping the loops over and then just doing like a normal double crochet stitch, except I'm using another method instead of the pickup method that I used to do. And it's not like I'm totally abandoning that method. I think that in some cases that method is useful. It's faster than this method. I think this method, I need to practice a lot more using this method. But now I got two techniques under my belt, so I can like switch or whatever and see which technique is best for which project. I am so excited for what is out there, what is waiting for me in the future. Yesterday I finished a flower sort of thing. It's like it's supposed to be a 3D flower, but I haven't sewed it, so I don't know, together and put stuffing in it, which I'm gonna do probably tomorrow or today. but I can't believe that I am able to make all these intricate little things. Like, if you told me that I could do this like 5 years ago, I would be like, no, you're lying, you're wrong. But it's possible. It is so possible. And don't let like for me, for example, I thought that one-handed, I couldn't crochet, I couldn't knit, I couldn't do much of these arts, like fiber arts and arts in general, like not like painting and drawing, but like other things. I thought I was doomed, but no, you are not, and I am not. There are so many adaptable ways that you can do things, and unfortunately there isn't much resources that people can find, and hopefully I will be one of the resources if you are searching how to do crocheting one-handed. I hope to be a resource for you, and just guide you along the way of crocheting. And I guess the whole point of this channel and this whole YouTube channel is to teach people and show people that one-handed crocheting does exist, and that you just have to find the right resources, the right guidance and stuff like that, because it does exist. I'm doing it right now, right now in this video I'm doing it. So yeah, I will show you the flower, like the unfinished flower, in a short, so remember to watch my shorts. I'm so glad, grateful, excited, I don't know, all the feelings. And I so wish that this was a channel when I started to be interested in crocheting. I wish this channel existed, because that would give me so much hope for my future in crocheting, because I didn't see no one doing crocheting with one hand except that one video, and she did not. And that video, yes, it did provide me with a spark of motivation, and like, maybe I can do this. But I wanted some channel or somebody to help me, guide me through the world of crocheting with one hand. I thought it was impossible, but it's not impossible. It is not impossible. People, listen to me, it is not impossible. The possibilities are endless with crocheting, and yeah, the world is your oyster, and if there's a way, there's a will. I'm totally messing that up. If there's a way, if there's a will, there's a way. Oh my god, yes, if there's a will, there's a way. That's so true. I think my TikTok is working overtime. I don't know how it works, okay? But anyways, I hope you all have a great day. And just keep on crocheting. And if you're interested in crocheting, but you don't know where to start, and you think that you might need an adaptive crochet aid, or you're curious about what an adaptive crochet aid looks like, and can you build one and stuff like that, I have a 4-part playlist. I will link it in the card above me and also in the description box down below, so check it out. Did I ever tell you that I love crochet? Because I love crocheting. I love it so much, so dear to me. I love it. Anyways, that's it. I'll leave now. Yeah, see you later. And that is it. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, click the like button and also hit the subscribe button to get notified when I post a new crochet video. I just wanted to say that crocheting with one hand does exist, and I am literally doing that in the video. And crocheting, like adaptive crocheting, does exist too, so you don't really need a adaptive crochet aid like mine. You can figure out other methods and techniques that uses like other parts of your body or something to crochet. The possibilities are endless. I just wanted to say that I want everyone who wants to crochet to be able to crochet and go on this crocheting journey with all of us. I also have a granny square time lapse of me just creating multiple granny squares, so I will leave that in the card above me and also in the description box down below. And then I have another video where I do a magic ring, magic circle using my adaptive crochet aid, so if you are interested in that, I will also leave that in the card above me and down below. I have many videos showing you how I use my adaptive crochet aid to do crocheting. So if you are interested in that, or you're curious about how do I do it, yeah, just click on my channel and sort through the videos. Ever since I found out that this machine, this device actually exists, all my limiting beliefs, I guess, quickly vanished away, and I'm like, you know, possibilities are endless. And like someone on my TikTok said, you know, if there's a way, if there's a will, there's a way. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all later. Bye!